This Beachfront Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Rosie Andersen. Direct ocean views as far as I can see. Contemporary furnished and spacious 3-bedroom/2.5 bath with glossy cabinets, newer light fixtures, hurricane impact windows. Boutique building undergoing renovation of pool and deck, which is why price this low. Call for seasonal rental pricing as permitted by condo. For more information, review the details below or contact Rosie Andersen at 305-933-3377.